Good morning. Today is Monday, February 16th, 2026. I am here at Julington Creek Pier 3. This is Paloma. Before I show you the whole cleaning, I did want to make a separate video. This one's in regards to your water line. The water line does have a lot of bubbling going around almost consistently. It's not everywhere, but it's in most places. So I wanted to get a video of that just to show you and to have Dane give you some recommendations. So let's go ahead and check that out. We're starting it a bit here. In a lot of areas that where the bubbling is, there does look like there's some growth. We can try and get that cleaned out. However, we do run the risk of popping the bubbles there and damaging your paint. So that's one reason why I really wanted to get a video there for you. And now I'll go ahead and show you the hole cleaning.